Yay! Maybe I should go back earlier than planned. I don't want to get stuck because of the snow. Oh my gosh! Look at that! My butt is freezing. Yeah, these pants are not very warm. It's 6 a.m. Actually, 6:30 a.m. and I passed the checks and now I'm finally going to sleep on the airplane until I get out. Bye. Also, please refrain from using the restrooms. Isn't it awesome? It's a little cold though. Yeah, my feet still mama. But it's kind of fun. It's so white. I have never seen this whiteness before. This is amazing! So white! I'm gonna have my breakfast and go to the hotel, put the bag and go to my first destination. It's a bit off because we arrived to the station not long ago. But yeah, let's go to the first destination, Samurai Quarter. It's gonna take me an hour to get there, but I'm free. Let's go. That is a beautiful bridge though. Look how beautiful this is, unbelievable. I had to buy new shoes because my toes are freezing and I could not step on them. The snow is getting a little bit lesser. Look at this. Look how deep my shoes are. Look how deep they are. It's a lot of snow. I'm gonna play with snow later. There's a park next to my a park close to the hotel, so I'm going there and I'm gonna build myself a snowman, a huge snowman. This is so fun. Oh my gosh, too much. Sige. I can't resist. Look at this. And nobody's here because it's freezing cold. Yeah. I have like 15 minutes or less until the train. Yeah, 14 minutes exactly until the train to my next destination. My butt is freezing. Yeah, these pants are not very warm. I'm freezing. Look, that's me. I love that trail. Here, look at this. I mean, it is Aomori. Why do I keep saying Aomori? It's Aomori. Aomori. And that's a boat. I didn't realize it. It's a boat. Apparently, it used to snow. I've been told that it used to snow quite long time ago, but unfortunately in the recent years it stopped snowing. It's kind of sad though. My body's freezing. Holy shit, my body's really freezing. Okay, I think. How am I gonna walk around with a frozen butt? Oh gosh, I had like an extra layer, but I left my suitcase already. I was thinking of I should put on the extra layer or change to the thermal heat pants, but I forgot. And now here I am, enjoying. I don't have frozen toes, but I have frozen butt. Yay! And I feel so comfortable vlogging like this because it's empty. All around me, nobody's here. Nobody. Gosh, this is amazing. So the area of Aomori, that is Aomori Station, and there is Shin Aomori, where you can find the Shinkansen, come nearby the Shinkansen, and there is Hirosaki, another city. It's more of an older version of Aomori, I would say. This is where I'm going there because there is a castle and there is a samurai district as well. I think tomorrow as well I'm going there. I've been thinking of going to the onsen, but I don't think I'm going to be willing to share onsen with strangers. I don't think that's possible for me. But hey, let's see how it goes. Apparently it's a hotel, an onsen, an actual hotel. And it's not very bad and expensive either, but it's a little bit isolated. So actually I should have picked that because all I wanted to see is old buildings and stuff, and that's it. This is why I'm here. That's an old building. The hotel itself is very old. And snow. I took the one I took because it was closer. Oh my gosh, I'm really freezing. I need to go up. I took the one I took because the hotel was close by the station. Oh, somebody's here. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna go now, warm my butt. Talk to you later.
ご案内いたします。4番線の列車は12時14分発大線新青森浪岡ガーデンホーム特別列車弘前行きです。
I'll see you later.
ご利用
I was thinking of going directly, but I'm starving and I don't have no energy. I think I have to eat before I go. I got my temperature chicken. So hungry. It's a beautiful, perfect bento. And it only costs 680 yen, that's all. Also, I would like to start by saying I'm sorry. I underestimated Aomori. Oh, like what the heck? I was walking and apparently I thought I was walking on the sides, but no, I was walking right in the middle of the street and cars were honking at me and I didn't know because there was no roadside. You could not tell because of the snow. And you just walk and bam, you get snow to the knees. And I was wearing this like open-mouthed boots-ish, and it's not enough. The new one I got is not enough, and that's not all. I was just walking and snow got inside my leg and I'm freezing, but I'm not gonna give up. I found this small shrine. Isn't this magical? Maybe I should go back earlier than planned. I don't want to get stuck because of the snow. Honestly, I don't care. I just hope I don't end up with a frostbite. It's kind of one of my dreams to see this much snow. I can be easy. Okay, I can feel the frostbite with my legs and my toes. I'm worried I'm gonna end up sick. We don't want that. I have to work as soon as I come back to Tokyo. So beautiful though. Even the snowflakes are so huge. Oh boy, look at me. Look, I accumulated snow on me. Isn't that something? It's so cold. Oh, let's go see the train. I did not know there was a train here. Let's go see the train. Oh, yeah. Okay. I took refuge in phone booth. Can you believe it? I literally took refuge in phone booth, hoping to leave after the wind settles a little. If it settles, let me check though. I'm the only stupid tourist in this town walking, so I may as well say how miserably I felt. For a start, these boots I just bought are also not so good enough. They got wet and my toes are freezing, and because I had to use pâtisserie de chocolat. I think I go to the cafe to rest. I couldn't walk anymore. My feet hurt. They hurt so much. I didn't even notice this canal because of the snow. Everything is so white, I'm lost. I cannot tell any landmark because everything is so white. So I'm tired. My feet hurt, I'm cold, my knees cold, my butt is freezing, but I refuse to give up. I want to reach the castle. I'm not quite sure if I'm coming back here into this town tomorrow morning because there are other options, and it's still early. It's only 4 p.m. but the last train is at 6, so I have an hour to make sure I get by the station in time. I refuse to give up. I need to see it. I think it's right in front of me. I can't see. It's all white. I can't see. But let's keep walking. Let's keep walking. I have no idea, but let's keep walking. I did it. I am by the gardens gate. I think she's closed. I thought it will be open for the public. Oh, that's kind of unfortunate. I wanted to see her. My feet hurt. Shit. I need to check my phone, but it's all white and I cannot cross. No, I think I can. I just need to make sure there's no cars because it's white and they cannot see me. We don't want accidents in this vacation-ish. I don't know if I should call this vacation, really. Okay, see you in a bit. I think I can go in. I'm not sure. I can't see. I need to get closer. But I think this gate is open. I mean, it is a public garden. Yes, it is. I see people coming out. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I would have been so happy to tears if my feet weren't so much in pain right now. Sorry, I keep reminding you guys with that I'm in pain. I think I may come back tomorrow. Oh my gosh, it's so quiet. This is so beautiful. She's so white. Technically, the castle itself and the illumination will start in February next month. But I'm here a little bit early because it's still winter time right now. As you can see from the whiteness of the snow, it is winter time. So yeah, because it's winter time, nobody's here. I think the locals are a little fed up with snow because usually in Tokyo these kind of gardens would be full of locals even in winter time. But hey, look how deep the snow is. I don't think they want to be walking with the snow around. Let me see if I can remove my hat. How would I look? I saw kids. Oh, it's not that cold. It's not that bad. As long as it's not windy, it's not terrible. Would you look at that? Wow. Okay, it is cold. I'm not staying long. Maybe I'll come back tomorrow. I have 3 days after all. The lake is closed apparently. It only opened in... the lake opens only in February. I wanted to go to the lake. She was on my list. But I don't think I'll be going to the lake. Kawaii. They're using that to hold the tree branches off. Nanka kawaii. Listen. I think silence is phenomenal. I don't want to go already, but I think there might be a snowstorm, and if there is a snowstorm I may not be able to go back. I don't want the train to stop. So let's give it 10 minutes and go back, okay? I'll see you later, bye! The flower. I have no idea where she came from. What is she doing there? But I found a red flower in the snow. It's a fake flower, of course, but somebody put it there and just let it be. It's so cute. I'm so tired. I'm so exhausted. I'm going back to the hotel now. Let's go. I'm gonna show you my room. I haven't seen it yet. Look at this. So beautiful. I know the snow is cold. It hurted my toes, but it's so beautiful. Oh, so pretty. Room tour. It is so tiny. This is all of it, and this is the front door. This is it, all of it. But it's good for me. I am not a big person, and it's good enough. I think it's very cozy and it's super cute, and I feel lucky because I got the top one, like the top floor. And first let me take off my shoes. I don't want to ruin the room with my snowy boots. Give me 1 second. So it's double layered because of the snow. I don't have much of a view. I don't think it's open even if I try. Yeah, I don't think it's the type that will open. Yeah. Oh, that's unfortunate. I like some breeze, but it makes sense. I mean, it's -5 degrees outside. Oh, it's cold. That's it for my first day in Aomori. I'm joking. My first day in Aomori. See you next time for my second day. Honestly, I have not even decided what I'm gonna do. I have a couple of ideas. In the morning, I have this market here, local market. I want to try it out and see how it goes. But then I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do. So I'll just go with the flow. I'm here on vacation anyway. Bye. I'm gonna take a hot bath now.